Is it time to buy or sell Tempus AI stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Tempus AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 25th of April, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of April, 2025, our system has ranked Tempus AI as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.48. Now, let's explore the stock's performance during this time. During this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 6.76% since we first recommended purchasing Tempus AI 3 days ago. This equates to an average return of 2.25% each day since it was designated as hold accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines within this trend are likely. The prevailing 3-month trend points to a potential decrease of approximately 28.45% over the coming 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 67.18% and negative 7.5%. Our latest daily update for Tempus AI includes the headline, Tempus AI Inc. stock downgraded to hold accumulate. The stock price of Tempus AI Inc. decreased by 1.12% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 25th of April, 2025, dropping from $53.50 to $52.90. During that trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.46%, with a low of $52.22 and a high of $54.55. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days, showing a rise of 31.3% over the past 2 weeks. Furthermore, trading volume also decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally considered a positive indicator as volume should align with price movements. On the last trading day, the volume fell by 1 million shares, resulting in a total of 9 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $473,001,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $91.45, while the lowest price recorded was $22.89. Currently, the stock price stands at 42.15%, or $38.55. Below the 52-week high of $91.45, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Tempus AI Incorporated, listed on NASDAQ under the symbol TEM, has recently made significant strides, showcasing its potential for both immediate and future growth. On the 25th of April, the company announced that 18 abstracts have been accepted for presentation at the American Association for Cancer Research annual meeting, emphasizing its commitment to advancing oncology treatment through artificial intelligence. This visibility can enhance investor confidence and interest in the stock. In addition, just a day prior, Tempus reported a remarkable 21% surge over 3 days, largely attributed to a strategic partnership worth $200 million with AstraZeneca and Pathos AI. This collaboration aims to develop a multimodal AI-driven foundation model for oncology, leveraging Tempus's vast data resources and expertise. Such partnerships not only validate Tempus's market position, but may also drive market expectations for future revenue growth, potentially lifting the stock price further in the short term. Furthermore, analysts have recently initiated coverage with a buy rating, setting a target price of $60, indicating strong optimism about the company's value and growth trajectory. Tempus is also set to report its first quarter financial results on the 6th of May, which could provide further catalysts for stock movement depending on performance metrics. Overall, the combination of strategic partnerships, strong market positioning, and positive analyst sentiment suggests a bullish outlook for TEM, both in the near term and through sustained growth in the long run. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 23rd of April 2025, it was reported that BTIG awarded TEM a buy grade along with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, it was reported that BTIG also assigned TEM a buy grade with an initialize action. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley gave TEM an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 12th of November, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned TEM a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 5th of November, 2024, it was reported that Needham awarded TEM a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have provided Tempus AI stock with a general strong sell rating. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio and the price-to-book ratio both as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also assign a strong sell rating to the stock. The following signals have been identified for Tempus AI. Tempus AI Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal due to the long-term average being above the short-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $45.92 and $46.75. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, February 14, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 40.85%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots signaled a sell opportunity 49 days ago. Bollinger Bands suggested a buy signal 116 days ago. The short-term moving average provided a buy signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 39 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average suggested a buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 25 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Tempus AI. Tempus AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $52.73. And this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock is subject to significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility. And with a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.33 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.46%. Over the past week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 7.55%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Tempus AI, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Even well-established firms can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and pose risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 26th of May, 2025. Analysts currently estimate a consensus figure of negative 270 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Tempus AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Tempus AI is at $57.39. if you do not currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Tempus AI faces its first support level at $52.73. Should this support level remain intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Tempus AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the first day of April 2025, Gottlieb Scott conducted an insider sale of 5,006 shares of Class A common stock. On the first day of April 2025, Gottlieb Scott conducted an insider sale of 16,273 shares of Class A common stock. On the first day of April 2025, Gottlieb Scott conducted an insider sale of 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the first day of April 2025, Gottlieb Scott conducted an insider sale of 2,558 shares of Class A common stock. On the first day of April 2025, Doudna Jennifer A. conducted an insider sale of 625 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 11 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 96.673. Overall, insiders purchased 0 shares and sold 54,538 shares in these 11 trades. I've recommended stop loss is set at $49.88. reflecting a decrease of 5.70%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, contributing to a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 48 days ago. Is Tempus AI stock a good buy? Tempus AI Inc. holds several positive signals, but we still do not find these to be sufficient for a buy recommendation. At the current level, it should be regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may want to maintain or accumulate their positions while awaiting further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate candidate since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 28th of April, we anticipate that Tempus AI will open higher by approximately 32 cents and begin trading at $53.22. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.